with another banger. But not for real. Today we're doing, I don't exactly know what I'm gonna do in this video, but I'm thinking about making a wood section. That is not what I was talking about with the wood section thing. I say let's go like, try the old track. Messed up my arm doing this. Oh yeah, we got this. Oh yeah! We need some freaking. Uh-oh. Gran's might be mad about this. Oh, we are farmers. Hey! Honking the horn at me. You want kids? Let's just go. Let's go see how many people we can get to honk their horn. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna sit. Here comes one. Here comes one. Here comes one. Yeah! That's one. All right. That's one. That's one. This might be easier than I think. Dark. I don't like this. I like staying alive. This is why we can't do this. Come on. Yeah. That's two. That's two. Alright, one more. And we're out of here. Here it comes. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Nope. Really? Truck. Yellow truck. This is it. This is it. This is it. Honk your dang horn, you dummy. Alright, I'm out of here. That counts. He looked at me. Hey, how you want to race forward? I'll race you. Oh, it's right here, it's right here, it's right here, right here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hit your horn, hit your horn. No, dummy. Like, no one, whenever you see this, means blow your dang horn as loud as you can, son. Alright? But, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
All right.